7 crore Indians suffer from diabetes, another 10 crore from pre-diabetes. According to the World Health Organization, diabetes kills one person every 8 seconds, and 80% of diabetics die of heart attacks. The good news is that diabetes is a dietary disease, and it can be fought with proper diet. Let's see. Diabetes happens because of insulin resistance, which typically happens because of excess weight. The ideal solution is to lose weight. But there are no pills to lose weight, and many medicines actually increase insulin in the body, which increases weight as insulin is a weight gain hormone. So, the popular approach here does exactly the opposite of what needs to be done. It's a vicious cycle. More insulin, more weight, more insulin resistance. You need to lose weight to come out of this vicious cycle and fight diabetes.